If you are new to the channel and interested in more practice tests on different CompTIA certifications or Cisco certifications or Microsoft certifications, go in channel's homepage and you can find many more playlists with many more videos. A display remains blank after desktop wakes from sleep, though the system appears powered on and fans are active. Keyboard lights blink but no post or BIOS splash appears. What is the most likely cause? GPU driver crash or failure to reinitialize hardware after sleep? Faulty network cable? Incorrect keyboard language? Disabled USB ports? Or broken stereo audio jack? Which one would be the correct answer here? And here the correct answer is GPU driver crash or failure to reinitialize hardware after sleep. A sleep-wake sequence often involves GPU context save and restore. If the driver fails or the hard drive does not reinitialize, the display remains blank while the system appears otherwise active. Network cabling, keyboard settings, USB port state or audio jacks do not impact video state transitions. A technician is configuring an enterprise firewall and needs to allow only specific traffic while blocking all other by default. Which rule set strategy should be implemented? Implicit allow everything rules, implicit deny with explicit allow rules, disable filtering, or permit all ICMP traffic, or allow by MAC address only. And the correct answer is implicit deny with explicit allow rules. As implicit deny means anything not expressly permitted is blocked. This approach enhances security by minimizing exposure to unexpected or unauthorized traffic. Permitting everything or focusing on MAC filtering alone levels multiple attack vectors. A user complains that repeated notifications about low disk space appear despite deleting large files. Disk properties still show minimal free space. What could cause this behavior? Incorrect time zone, disabled network adapter, dust buildup in case, hidden system restore or shadow copy reserves space, or expired antivirus license. And here the correct answer: if a user has deleted a lot of files but he still sees that there is nothing has been deleted and there is still all his memory space full and it is not showing that there is more free space after he has deleted these files, then the correct answer is hidden system restore or shadow copy reserve space, as Windows often reserves space for shadow copies, restore points and system caches that do not show up as user files. Deleting user data may not free up space until these reserved areas are reduced. Network time and physical dust issues do not affect reported disk usage. A technician installs a SATA solid-state drive into a desktop and notices slower than expected performance compared to identical systems. The SSD is connected via standard cable labeled SATA 3. Which BIOS or firmware settings should the technician check first? Adjust screensaver timeout mode, enable legacy USB support, increase boot logo duration, ensures the SATA controller is set to the AHCI mode, disable integrated audio. And here the correct answer is ensures the SATA controller is set to the AHCI mode, as AHCI enables advanced features such as native command queuing and optimized SSD performance. If the controller is IDE or legacy compatible mode, through output and performance will be reduced. USB and visual BIOS settings have no bearing on SATA performance. A workstation connected to a UPS continues to run after a short power outage, Battery boots with BIOS error code about the low voltage during a longer outage. What is the most likely issue? Screen brightness is too high, Ethernet cable is unplugged or faulty, webcam is faulty, keyboard stuck key, or UPS battery capacity is insufficient. And here's the correct answer, is UPS battery capacity is insufficient, as during longer outages the UPS cannot supply enough sustainable power due to a weak or depleted battery, causing a brownout and forcing the system to reboot. Network cables, display settings, and peripherals do not affect power delivery in this way. And here you go guys, another practice test, and if you are interested in more practice tests, go to the channel's homepage, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.